Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will discuss about an important technique of listing a prime numbers below a given numbers. It is given by Eratosthenes, it is used by Eratosthenes, and that is why it is called as a sieve of Eratosthenes. A. Suppose we have an integer a, then we can write this integer a as b into c. 1 is less than equal to b less than equal to a. 1 is less than equal to less than a, since a b is a divisor, less than equal to c less than a. Here both a and b and c are the divisor of a, therefore they are less than a. Again there is a relation between the two numbers b and c. We assume that b is less than equal to c. If b is less than equal to c, this gives us b square is less than equal to b into c. But b into c is nothing but a. This implies that b is less than equal to under root of a. Again, if b is a composite number, then if b is greater than 1, then b has a divisors. What are that divisor? That means there are primes such that this p is a divisor of b. If p is a divisor of b, obviously p is divisor of a. Okay, p is divisor of a. But p is a divisor, p is a prime number, p is a divisor of b, then obviously p is less than equal to b, and b is less than equal to under root of a. What we get then? This p is less than or equal to under root of a. This is an important fact regarding any number. If a is greater than 1, is not divisible by p. What is p? Less than equal to under root of a, then a is necessity a prime. A is of necessity a prime. So this is the fact about a number a. If a is not divisible by p is a prime which is less than equal to under root of a, then a is a necessity of prime. This technique is used by Eratosthenes to list all the primes below a number a, and that is why it is called as a sieve of Eratosthenes. What is that actually techniques? Suppose we want to list a number, list a prime below 100 number. This is my a. Then take the root of this 100. And what is the root of 100? 10. We have taken a simple example to get the idea of the sieve of Eratosthenes. Then list all the primes up to 10. What are that? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers which are less than equal to 10. Now let us list all the numbers up to 100. Okay, the process is a lengthy and quite it looking boring, but list all that numbers. If you are looking for a prime numbers, then you must do the process of division, but in these techniques you will get all the prime numbers up to 100. So what to do here? We have to list all the numbers up. So we have listed all the numbers. Now very first we will cancel out all the primes, divisor, all the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, so this one is composites, therefore it is not neither a prime nor a composite. One is neither a composite nor a prime number, so leave that number and start here. 2 is a prime, since we will cancel all the numbers which will be divisible by 2, and you can see that all the even numbers will be cancelled here. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay, then next, cancel out all the numbers which are divisible by 3. Okay, look at this: 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 51, 54, 57, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 81, 84, 87, 87, 90, 90, 93, 96 and 99. Then next, cancel out all the multiples of 5. All the multiples of 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 and 100. Then next, cancel out all the multiple of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 77, 84, 84 plus 7, that is 91, 91 plus 7, 98. Okay, so all the multiples of the prime numbers are cancelled. Then list the numbers which are not crossed in this figure. Okay, so in this listing, what are the numbers which are not crossed? You can see that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23, then 29, 31, 37, 37, 41, 47, 53, 53, 59, 61, 61, 67, 67, 71, 71, 73, 73, then later on 79, then 83, 83, 89, 89 and 97. So these are the all numbers which are prime below 100. So this is about a technique of sieve of Eratosthenes to find prime numbers below a given numbers. I hope you have enjoyed